FieldDerm is an application running on your phone to help health workers to diagnose skin diseases. This is completely local application running on your phone with the Gamma port, which help you to diagnose different diseases based on the images you share with the model. How model will know that this is a disease or not? Because LLM models are trained on certain parameters and they don't have the external knowledge of the diseases. So we create an embedded database for that one. So for each different diseases, user can download some embedded database on their local mobile phone. And when they upload the images based on the data and the new images, they will find some similar images, which later feed to the LLM model. And LLM model will be check how similar they are. So we can go and deep dive in some architecture, how this gonna be work. So as you see in this diagram, user can upload the patient image, and this image will be on your local phone running with the local Gamma model port. It will check the image quality, some algorithms on the back end and custom codes, check image processing, do some processing, create embedding, and based on the embedding, they will go and find in the local database. You can hold up to 10,000 pictures in the database and find some top similar photos, pictures, and feed that to the model. There are both type of pictures, healthy pictures of the skin and the skin with the disease. So those images will be fed to the model, and model will be try to do some reasoning on it and try to understand the similarity scores, some clinical reasoning, and how confident he is on the solution. Once it will get the result will be shared. User can be the worker either can be agree with that one or either deny or either just ignore it. If we agree, so that means that we can use the data stored locally as a feedback, and we can upload that one to cloud, so we can create more better indexing in future. So user can sync whenever they have internet. In certain places they have no internet, so they can use everything locally. If there's everything stored, they're on their phone and they can sync later. If they are find something that's wrong decision created by the model, they can reject it, and then we can sync the data also on the model, and so we can re-index everything. And that way, more people gonna use this application, more accurate it become. So the overall idea is that will help health workers because there are a lot of health patients and less doctors are available. They can diagnose and find the patient which have need more help. So let's move to the demo. We can provide some permissions to our application like camera, gallery, and we download some prerequisite just like indexing from the cloud and it's a local model on your phone. Gamma we are using light version is 3 GB, so it's easily run on the cell phone, which have almost 8 GB RAM. What is every phone have a minimum 8 GB RAM over there. So everything is downloaded and set up. So we can move to our application demo. For this demo, we already have some pre-defined sorted images for testing. We can take one image and the pipeline will be started. It can take and run multiple indexing over there. It can convert image to indexing and find some similar index images on the system, and patterns, safety, protection, because sometimes if user upload accidentally something wrong. So then everything is ready. Images are moved to the AI model. In our case, Gemma 4, the light version for 4 into 4 int bytes, which is really light version for results. It will take some time to process because it is like running locally. But once it will be done, it will generate some results, and we can see the results once it will finish. So now you can see the results, how confident he is. Okay, what type of disease it is, how similar disease it is, how many photos is compared, AI reasoning, and the end you can see that he can approve or reject. In this case, we approve, and you can see the other patient's records. Okay, now we can go and create one more patient. In that case, we upload an image from our cell phone. and we can use that picture. So we can access the gallery, go down, and we have one sub image which I download from the Google. And with the same case, we can provide the same pipeline builder again for the same use case, and it will be show that uh, is how much confident he's about that one and what disease is it. Let's wait a little bit. Just almost done. It's taking a bit time because it is running locally and require a lot of uh, things to check on the background before taking a decision, like a scoring, how much similar it is, how different images, colors, patterns, shapes on the image, and then it will generate the report. So as you can see now, the report is generated. It's now not that much confident, but it's confident that the results and everything, and how much other those images he took for similarity. You can see those one as well, and the patient reports. And now we can try a normal image with my hand with the other record. And when we try that one, so it will run, and you can see that retrieval index so that the image will be normal skin, so it will not process further. And at the bottom, it will show you try some new image. Thank you for the demo.